Hey guys, how you doing? So, sorry about the noise. You're gonna have to deal with the AC. It's pretty hot in here today. But so basically, I went to Millennium and they had $10 for 50 of these little mini trick or treat like Pokemon packs. There's nothing too rare in them. It's just like kind of like regular, normal like cards. But I figured it'd just be cool to open for $10 or 50 like smaller packs. That's pretty fun. These are meant, from what I understand, kind of like people to buy to give out on like Halloween and stuff. This is from last year's Halloween, 2023. But I've never opened these before, and look at those. It's also just fun to open up packs. So like, why not? Why not? I'll probably be able to get a complete set because I think there's only like 30 something cards in the set. So let's just open these up. It's gonna be kind of fast. Ooh, look at that! We got a Hollow Mimikyu. They all have this little orange Pokemon stamp. This is all Psychic type: Haunter, Mimikyu, and Riftloom. Oh, we got a Spectre, Hollow. I'll probably just be like showing off the Hollows. So are these all Psychic types? Are these all gonna? I think these are all gonna be Psychic type. Oh, wait, no, we got Trevenant. Trevenant doesn't make sense for a Halloween card. That's cool looking. So these are all just complete. These are basically like the original card. They just added like a little pumpkin Pikachu stamp on them. But for Halloween, if I was a kid and you know, the houses I went to gave out Pokemon packs, even if they were just like little 3-card packs, that would make the Halloween. That house would be the coolest house. Ooh, okay. That's my dad yelling in the background. Okay, got a Hollow Gengar. That's probably the best card so far. Ooh, a Hollow Pikachu. Paldea. Gold. I love that artwork. So we got the Hollow Pikachu and the Hollow Mimikyu. They're both on the front. Hollow Dusknoir. We got the Duskull too, so we're just missing the in between. This card goes a little faster. 50 packs is a lot, and there's nothing. Chandelier, awesome. We got a Houndoom. Ooh, Marshadow from Evolving Skies, I think that's what that symbol is. I don't know. I didn't really collect that much from Sword and Shield era. Mimikyu. I love that little Pikachu icon, it's so cute. Ooh, we got a Zubat. Another one of these guys. But yeah, for $10 for just like a little fun opening, like even if it's not Halloween, like you could just buy your kids that when you go to the store. You know? Like even like you have like a kid who's kinda into Pokemon and just wants to crack open a bunch of packs, like $10. 50 of these cool guys. Pretty cool, we got Banette. Banette's awesome. Oh, another Gengar. Awesome. Gengar is one of my favorite Pokemon. Ooh, we got Lycanroc. Ooh, another Hollow Pikachu. Awesome. Hollow Dusknoir. These remind me of the Dollar Tree packs that you could get back in the day. I miss those. So Dollar Tree packs, it was like $1 per pack, and you'd get 3 cards. And there was nothing guaranteed in them. You could just get 3. You could get this 3 commons, whatever. Like nothing, not even like a reverse holo or anything was guaranteed. But they're only $1 pack, and if you bought a bunch of packs, the ratios actually weren't that bad. And those packs you could actually get like EXs or GXs or ultra rares on like these ones you can't get in those with just regular cards. Which I think it would have been cool if they put in like a EX or something in here. That's a spice things up a little bit. Like reprint like an old one that's like not playable or something. These are just kind of, they didn't even, it is a little lazy, I feel like. They just reprinted cards they already had, and all they did was add like a little Pikachu symbol to the corner. But it's fun. It's still fun to open up packs. Houndstone. I think we're almost like halfway through, I don't know. Oh, Trevenant, I love Trevenant. He's awesome. I remember back in the day, there's a Trevenant Break. Was actually back there. Pretty decent, Pikachu. I do like the pack art. Another Gengar. Oop. Sorry about that, my phone glitched out for a second. Another Gengar. Be awesome to get a playset of those. Dusknoir. Houndoom. Chandelure. Awesome. It's nice seeing some yellow border curves. Mimikyu. These have to be newer then. This has to be for this year. Because there's Paldea. Is this set that old? How long has Paldea been evolved out for? Man. I feel like that set just came out, but I guess it's been out for 2023. Marshadow. We're getting there. Anyways, how has your guys' week been? Or weekend, I guess, by the time this video comes out. Mine's been okay, you know. Doing stuff. I haven't been opening much Pokemon or playing much lately. I've been mainly playing a lot of Minecraft lately. You guys ever played that game? I've been playing that game since I was like 6 or 7, so like I'm 18 now. I've been playing that game for over 10 years. And you know, I'll take breaks from it every now and then. And you know, I'll play it. Another Gengar, awesome. But it's just so much fun, and they're adding like they just added the 1.21 update. It's pretty awesome. You could Copper kind of has like a use now, because before Copper like the blocks are cool, but other than that, like there wasn't really much to do with it. So now so I would have never mind it, but now that you can make like trapdoors and like the Copper grate is awesome. So is the Copper lamps or whatever they're called. Those are really cool. And also being able to use Tuft, because Tuft blocks, like, all you had was the block. Now being able to, like, the Tuft bricks look so nice, like, building and stuff. I'm very happy. Like, this new update's awesome. Oops, sorry, bumped into the camera there. Remember when Mimikyu was new, back in the... Man, I feel old. Sun and Moon era was such a good era. At least they were my favorite games. I got my first 3DS just to place on the moon. That's the whole reason I got it. I got the new Nintendo 3DS XL and a copy of Sun and Moon on Christmas, and that's just like the best Christmas ever. How many packs we got left? I think 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. I think I'm only gonna open one more. I think I'm gonna save these to probably. I think I have all the cards in the set. I'm probably gonna save these to give to like my little cousins or something. Okay, so this will be the last pack. Let's see what we get. Lampet and a Trevenant. Awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Just a quick little stupid opening, but why not? See you guys later. Bye.